Welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ and this is our comment video for tonight's 6 p.m. Central Standard Time half dollar hunt live stream. For tonight's hunt we have one box of the Yellow Loomis rolls and we have two boxes of the NF String & Sons. The NF String & Sons were good to us on our last video that we posted on Sunday, so hopefully these boxes have silver as well. If so, we'll be giving some of it away during the stream. But even if we don't have silver in the boxes, we will still have these 4 giveaways, and there's 2 easy ways to enter. First off, comment on this video. That gets you entered into both of these giveaways. We will pick the winner of this Walking Liberty tonight at the end of the stream, and then we'll pick the winner for this 1964 Kennedy on our regular Saturday winners video every Saturday at noon. Then be active during the chat to have a chance at this 1936 Walking Liberty or this 80% Kennedy right here. Well, we look forward to seeing you. Hopefully you can make it. We really enjoy chatting with everybody, getting to know everybody in the coin community. So we will see you there 6 p.m. Central Standard Time.